Alright, so good morning traders, welcome to this lovely Thursday, of course the 23rd of March. The time now is 8:30 in the morning, South African time. For those who don't know, my name is Winston Kutsia, or as I'm known on YouTube, Mr. May of Forex Trading. On Facebook, of course, is an open platform where you can also post your trades for the day. It's called Forex Hangout on Facebook. Alright, so for today, I did put another trade in yesterday after I did my video. I had the US30 open that I opened here as soon as it broke through and I saw it come back. I did put my US30 trade in there and it is running in profit now at the moment, and I'm expecting it to go all the way down to that level there. Now I did open the pound USD as well. Due to the fact of the way I trade, it is an obvious point of entry for me. Now I do see big rejection at this level right over here. I see rejection, so price has come back right into the zone here again. This was a nice uptrend. As you guys can see, there's my trend line. It broke that structure, which tells me that alright, so we are done with going up. And there also is the main, the weekly trend line over there, and it is marching downwards. So my thoughts on this pound USD is that it is going to break down to the downside and hopefully break through this one and continue on with a weekly trend which is going down. So as I am in this zone over here, as price got back into the zone, I did put my trade in. It's a nice sell position that I have open. Now the Euro USD is in the same area of interest. Let me just go to the daily time frame so I can show you guys here as well. And this is the way I trade. I look for, if I look left, I look for places where there are big pressure, big selling or big buying pressure, like here, big buying pressure. So I know if price gets down to this level over here, I should start looking for maybe some buying opportunities in this area, general area here. But the same, of course, with the Euro USD, it broke that structure now over there. So I am sure that we are probably going to see, because there's the day, there's a trend line, it broke that structure. So I'm sure that we might be able to see some form of selling pressure kicking in. So what I'm waiting for on this one to jump in here, I did jump the gun a little bit too early on the pound USD. Let me also get to the time frame, the 4 hour. I didn't go down to the 4 hour time frame. Usually I go down to the 4 hour time frame and I look for rejection candles like that one, and then I jump into the trade. And anyway, so I jumped in as it went into that zone. That's why I jumped in. Usually I wait to see some selling pressure and then long wicks. Now there's a nice long wick. Sometimes it happens in trading where you do see this long wick and you jump in right after the long week, and then there's still some buyers that wants to push the price up, but usually when this happens, it's going to start breaking down anyway. So I'll have to see what happens there. I think I jumped in a little bit too early. I wanted to jump in a little bit later to see, but well, I'm in it, so let's see how it goes. So I'm going to wait for the Euro USD to show me some selling pressure. So on the 4 hour chart is where I jump into my trades, where I look for my entries, and so I have to wait to see some selling pressure over here, some red candles. There's a nice wick there which tells me that okay, there are sellers present there, but there are still a little bit more buyers also left, and looks like they are absolutely running with this price. Look at what's happening there now. So I'm sure I'm going to get stomped out of this one, but let's see how it goes. Luckily it's only like what, $5 or something like that. $6, so it's not too much on the account. $6 not too much, considering that my take profit is at 34. So this might be that last little push, but I'm going to keep my eye on it and see how far it goes. If it does break through this structure and it comes back for a retest and I see some buying pressure, then I will jump in for a buy. But until then, my mind is still set on selling, because the weekly trend, everything is on the downside. So let's go to the weekly quickly. I just want to see. You see, there's a weekly. We are on a down, so this might be a little bit of a pullback. and then continue on with the trend. We need to see where this one goes first, because this looks to me to be like the pullback. Let me just get my fib on there quickly. I just want to see. Nice on the 50% retracement, so which tells me that this is probably a pullback and it is going to continue on to the downside. We won't know until we see if it does break through this structure. Look at that. Nice. You see it's touching that trend line very nicely. So I'm in a very good frame of mind to say that yes, it's going to go down. But that's for my side for now, for today. Please guys, enjoy your trading day. What I'm going to do is later on with some of the videos, I'm going to start introducing these tools that I use, the Fibonacci retracement, and introducing you guys to the fib, so you guys know what that is, because it is a very powerful tool to use as well. Alright, so from my side, Mr. Mayor Forex Trading, have a great trading day. Please like these videos, share these videos, subscribe to the channel, like the channel of course, and this channel is my trading journey that I put out. So what happened is I started this account with a $30, and I'm building this account up on YouTube. I post my videos, I post my wins, my losses, my trading ideas, everything. Once I get to 100,000 subscribers, I will start revealing how much this account has grown since I started this account. Alright, so for those of you who are wondering why the grand total is hidden, I'm going to hide it until I get to 100,000 subscribers. Then I'll show you guys how this account has grown. But from my side, have a great one, have a safe trading, and I will see you guys on the next video. Cheers.